The VEVOR 55-gallon drum dolly set stands out for its very high weight capacity, allowing a single person to roll full steel or plastic drums with confidence in busy industrial spaces. Its thick carbon steel frame and reinforcing cross straps give the dollies a solid, rigid feel that resists flexing and helps prevent drums from shifting or tipping during transport. 4 smooth rolling swivel casters on each dolly, with 2 locking wheels, make it easy to maneuver heavy barrels around tight corners and then keep them securely parked when needed. The low-profile ring design cradles the drum close to the ground, which improves stability and reduces the chance of dangerous spills when moving liquids. Assembly is straightforward because the hardware and casters are clearly matched to the frame, so you can have both dollies ready for service in a short time with basic tools. Beyond oil and chemical drums, these dollies work well for large trash cans, brewery or winery barrels, and oversized planters, adding versatility for warehouses, workshops, and even home garages.